In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shadow to images using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this skill can give your images a polished and professional look with minimal effort. So let's dive in. First, open up Canva and choose the design you want to work with, or upload a new image if you're starting from scratch. Once you have your image ready on the canvas, click directly on it. This action will highlight your image, bringing up a range of editing options you'll use to enhance it. Next, turn your attention to the top menu where you'll find a button labelled Edit. Clicking this button opens up a suite of enhancements and adjustments. Now from this edit menu, you're going to want to click on the option called Shadows. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Shadows, you'll see several shadow types you can choose from. Each style offers a different aesthetic, allowing you to customize the image to suit your project's needs. These options typically include glow, drop, outline, curved, page lift, and angled. Take a moment to hover over and preview each one if you're unsure which style best complements your design. For our example today, we're going to select drop. Drop shadows are versatile and widely used to give images depth and make them stand out on any background. To select this style, simply click on drop and you'll instantly see the shadow appear behind your image. If you want to further refine this look, you can tweak the settings within the shadow options. Canva might allow you to adjust the transparency, blur, and offset to create the perfect shadow effect for your image. Mess around with these settings until you achieve the desired depth and softness of your shadow effect. Now for an additional touch, explore the backdrop feature. You can find this option within the shadow settings. Backdrops add another layer of depth, creating a more realistic look and providing your image with a subtle pop. Click on backdrop to apply it, and just like before, feel free to adjust the settings to better fit your design. Once you're satisfied with the shadow effects and how your image looks, make sure to save your work. Click download at the top right of the screen to save your new image to your device. With just a few clicks, you've managed to add a stylish, professional touch to your image, all thanks to Canva's intuitive design tools. And there you have it, you've learned how to elevate your images by adding shadows in Canva. Feel free to experiment with different styles and settings to see what complements your own creative projects best. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.